Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Lily.
How do you spell your name, Lily?
Lili.
Lily, right? Lily, where do you live?
I live in Hanoi City.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Very good. Let's talk about these two different pictures. Look at my picture. In my picture, I've got two lions and they are walking and playing, I guess. How about in your picture?
In my picture, the lion is sleeping.
The lions are sleeping because you've got more than one lion. Okay? In my picture, the boy is taking a photo. How about in your picture?
In my picture, the boy eating a candy.
In my picture, I've got three rabbits and they're white.
In my picture, have two rabbits.
In my picture, the weather is cloudy.
In my picture, the weather is sunny.
In my picture, the girl is wearing a pair of trousers.
In my picture, the girl wearing a skirt and yellow shoes.
In my picture, I see the girl is carrying a handbag.
In my picture, the girl isn't wearing handbag.
Let's talk about the year planner. Can you talk from January?
School story star.
Okay, and how about February 3rd?
School trip to aquarium.
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 Let's continue on March.
School
On
play.
March 11th,
11.
school play. How about 4th of April?
Lucky's birthday.
When is Aunt Daisy's birthday?
My birthday.
Aunt Daisy's birthday when?
4th of April.
Not really. Luke's birthday is on 4th of April. Aunt Daisy's birthday is on 1st of May. Okay? When is the school holiday start?
School holiday start is in 2nd of July.
Alright, it's on, not in. Let's talk about the story, okay? The story between Ben and Billy.
Ben and Bill running a competition. Bill wearing a blue t-shirt. Ben is wearing a red t-shirt. Ben is happy and Bill is tired. But Ben is
Ben fell down in picture 3 and
and
angry. How about Bill?
Bill is happy and
And trying so hard, right? Yeah. How about in picture 4?
Bill winner and Ben angry. Ben is lost.
Ben lost the game, not is lost, right? Now look at these pictures here. In this picture, I see the hamburger is different because orange, apple, and banana are fruits, but hamburger is a junk food. Now let's talk about there.
I think picture 1 is different because picture 2, picture 3, picture 4 they are walking and picture 1 they are by a bicycle.
You're riding a bicycle. Here,
I think dinosaur is different because
different.
different because picture 1, picture 3, picture 4 they can fly. Dinosaur can't fly. I think picture 1 is different because picture 2, picture 3, picture 4
Ah,
is a circle and picture 1 is
square.
square. I think picture 4 is different because Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3
Are.
are the ring. Picture 4 is food.
Let's talk about your favorite animal. What's that?
My favorite animal is dog.
What color is the dog?
It's brown and black.
Where does it live?
Dog live my house.
Dog lives. Alright? Because live is a verb, okay? Remember it. Third person singular verb. Alright? Thank you so much, Lily. That's all for today. See you later and goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.